Okay folks, I want to show you this tree project here. What we're going to do is make a concrete tree. And so what we have here is just a form made out of some wood, and we put some 1/4-inch mesh on it. And so the idea is just a concrete maple tree. And this is just to hold it upright. But it'll have 2 feet of 4x4 going in the ground into a sleeve in the ground. So now that we have this made, I'm making up a sculptural concrete mix. And of course there'll be a sign that hangs from here. There'll be a maple leaf that I'll go ahead and show you that. That's over here. So we have a maple leaf that's made out of HDU, and that's going to hang here. And this is for a maple syrup operation. Let me go over it and show you what I'm doing with the mix here. This is my first time using this concrete mix. This is from Buddy Rhodes, and this is the Craftsman mix, and you can order this online from the BuddyRhodes.com, and Rhodes is, right there. Buddy Rhodes, R-H-O-D-E-S. Here's a better look at the logo here. Buddy Rhodes Concrete Products. So what I've done here, as I'm starting to mix it up using a power mixer, and this is supposed to be a very dry mix. It's supposed to be like clay when it's done, and so far it is. It's acting like the consistency of clay. It's very neat product. I've mixed up a portion of it. I'm going to mix up the rest of this bag. It's a 50-pound bag into the bucket, and then I'm going to add this pigment in to give it a brown look to the concrete. And then towards the end of the mix, I'm going to add these pieces of fiber in there. This is not fiberglass. This is some other kind of fiber, some kind of synthetic fiber. And this is what's going to give it structure. This allows you to make thin concrete, and it's going to give it a lot of strength. So there's going to be about an inch skin of concrete around that tree. And then what we're going to do is I made this silicone mold of some maple bark, and I'm going to be pressing this into the concrete using a release that is 1 part oil. 1 part, what kind of oil is that? Let me see over here. What was the oil? 1 part castor oil. This is 1 part castor oil to 7 parts rubbing alcohol. And that is a release oil. So when you press that into the concrete, it won't stick or cause puckers or anything like that. Now again, this is the first time I've done this. So I'll videotape as I go along, and we'll see how it turns out.